In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your freebie in free Convertkit. We're going to walk through the simplest way to deliver a free PDF or downloadable file to new subscribers using Kit's free plan. This setup is great if you want someone to join your email list and automatically receive the freebie you promised without needing any complicated automation. First, upload your freebie. To do that, go to Send, then choose either Broadcast or Sequences. From there, create a new email. Inside the email editor, click the link icon and upload your PDF or file directly. If you prefer, you can also upload the file to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox, then copy the sharing link and use that instead. Once your link is ready, save it. This is the link you'll later place inside your delivery email, so make sure it works properly before moving on. Next, create your form. Go to Grow, then Landing Pages and Forms, and click Create New. Choose Form, then select the template you want to use. After that, customize the headline and description so visitors clearly understand what they're signing up for. For example, your headline might say something like, "Get my free social media content calendar," and your description can let them know to enter their email below to receive it instantly. Keep this part clear and benefit focused so people know exactly what they'll get. Now it's time to set up the incentive email, which is the easiest delivery method on the free plan. Open your form, go to Settings, then Incentive, and turn on Send Incentive Email. After that, edit the subject line and the message content. Add your download link directly into this email. A simple subject like "Your free content calendar is ready" works well. In the message, thank them for signing up and invite them to click the link to download the freebie. Keep the wording short, friendly, and easy to understand. While you're still in the incentive settings, enable auto confirmation for new subscribers. This is important because when someone clicks the button in the incentive email, they'll be confirmed as a subscriber and get access to the freebie at the same time. It creates a smoother experience and helps make sure your list stays organized. Finally, publish the form, save your changes, then copy the form URL or the embed code. From there, you can share it anywhere you promote your freebie, including Facebook, your Instagram bio, your website, or landing pages. Once everything is live, test the full process yourself so you can confirm the email arrives and the download link works exactly as expected. That's it. You now have a simple system for